Hiya, I'm making this video, a very quick video, to just show you how to import components to add to your project. For those who finished, who completed the Mike's Malt shop, very, very well done. To make it even more beautiful, you can add components like this bench, like these vases, like this table, even this car. You can add components to your projects, okay? Any components. How do we do that? If we go to SketchUp, you have two ways to access components. You have the easiest way. You go to before I come back here, let me check something. Here, your malt shop is almost complete. Let's jazz it up with more modules from SketchUp's 3D warehouse. Click the components panel. On the right, then type SketchUp for Schools Malt Shop. SketchUp for Schools Malt Shop. Because they're using a different version of SketchUp, this might throw you off. Okay, you don't need to be thrown off. I will show you how to access the components. So one way to access the components is very, very easy. Is you go to the 3D warehouse, and then let's say SketchUp for schools, and then Mike's shop, SketchUp for schools, malt shop. Malt shop, and then you search, and look what you get. Okay, so you get the bench, you get the vase, you get the table, and then obviously you can choose different things. Okay, so if we now want to choose a table, you just come here and download it. And you have the table there. Okay, if I leave it there, so it's a component. Now, to edit this component, or to change this component, or to do anything, or just to find it, where do you find components? The components are inside the outliner tab now, inside the outliner module. And if you click on components, open components, you'll find your components here, all the ones I chose before. Okay, and you can get even different components, different. And these components you get from either you create yourself. You can create the components yourself, or you can get them from 3D warehouse. 3D warehouse, you access it through here. And then if you want to get, I don't know, window plants, let's check. You don't need to, be stuck with a malt shop. You can create something else. Okay, so you get so much to import and to add to your project. Okay, this is the video for today, just to show you how to access the warehouse and jazz up your project, your Mike's Malt Shop. Okay, I hope this helps, and if you have any questions, leave a comment, or you can email me through EduLink, and I'll respond as soon as possible. You take care for now, and I'll see you soon. Bye.